Welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss that how we can ship our FBM orders. As we know that on Amazon we have two options, FBA and FBM. FBA stands for fulfillment by Amazon, and FBM stands for fulfillment by merchant. Let me explain you. In FBA we send our all inventory to Amazon warehouse, and we do not take care about the shipments because Amazon team pack our orders and ship to our customers. But in FBM, when we list our pod and when someone buy our pod from our listing, we will pack the pod and we will ship it to customer. How we can do that, and how our customer will track our orders. So this is the Amazon Seller Central account. I have listed a lot of pods on the Seller Central account as an FBA and as an FBM. Let me just refresh it first. And you will just need to go to this menu, and then you have to go to orders and then manage orders. Okay, see, these are the FBM orders. All orders that are showing here, these are all FBM orders. And if I click on view FBA orders, these are all FBA orders. Amazon will ship these orders, but the seller fulfill orders, which is known as FBM orders, I have to ship them. For example, this is my pod, or this is your pod that you are selling on your Amazon Seller Central account. You have to just, when you will just receive your order, what you will do, you will just click on confirm. First of all, you will click on print packaging slip. This is the packaging slip that you will paste on your parcel. You can just download this in PDF file. You just have to print out this page, pack your product in a carton or maybe in a box, and paste this sheet on the carton. After that, what you will do, you will just click on confirm shipment. And if you scroll down, you will see here the tracking ID. What is the tracking ID? Definitely, when you will ship that product to your customer, you will use any courier service like UPS, USPS. They will give you some tracking number or tracking ID. You have to put that tracking ID here, and you will, when you will put tracking ID here, then you will just need to click on confirm shipment. In this way, your order will be marked as shipped. So this is very necessary when you start getting orders on your Amazon Seller Central account. Do not forget to ship them, and after shipping them, do not forget to update their tracking IDs, and do not forget to click on confirm shipment. Otherwise, Amazon will put those orders. Doesn't matter you have shipped them and you didn't updated their tracking IDs. Amazon will consider that you never shipped the item. So it will create bad impact on your Amazon Seller Central account. So keep in mind, when you start receiving orders in FBM, do not forget to ship them and do not forget to update their tracking IDs. For more knowledgeable videos about Amazon or any e-commerce earning, do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.